Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to let visitors search the weather for any location worldwide. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages and click Add New. Next, click the plus icon, search for your preferred location weather block, and add it to the page. With the block selected, head to the Settings panel on the right. Under the Template tab, you'll see an option called Custom Weather Search. Simply turn it on to allow your visitors to search weather for any location worldwide. You can then personalize the search box in several ways, such as choosing from 5 different search templates, changing the search box position, adjusting its width and height, editing the placeholder text, and customizing the overall alignment to match your design. These options give you full control over both the appearance and functionality of the search box, ensuring it fits perfectly with your page layout and style. Next, switch to the Style tab to customize the look of your search box. Here, you can adjust the placeholder font color, style, and size. Change the background color to match your design, and modify the border style, whether you prefer a normal border or a focused state for better user interaction. In the Search Button tab, you can adjust the search icon, change the icon size, set the button position, and edit the button label text. Then, in the Style section, you can further customize the button by modifying the label font, applying normal and hover effects, changing the icon color, adjusting the background color, and exploring several other styling options to match your design perfectly. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish. Your weather showcase is now ready, and your visitors can start searching for weather right away. They can check the weather by typing a city name, a zip code, or even exact coordinates, giving them a quick and flexible way to find the information they need. And that's it! That's how you let your visitors search the weather for any location worldwide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.